Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about a tropical spice that's been prized for its culinary and therapeutic properties for centuries. It's one of my favorites and probably one of yours. It's cinnamon, and it's been used around the world for thousands of years. Now, almost every part of the cinnamon tree, including the bark, leaves, flowers, fruit, and roots, contains some beneficial properties. You see, there's bioactive antioxidants in cinnamon that, along with its high flavonoid content, have been shown to promote metabolic health, including support for blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels within the normal range. Even though there are about 250 different species of the cinnamon plant scattered around the world, there's basically only two primary types. First, we have true Ceylon cinnamon, which is native to Sri Lanka and southern India, and the more common variety, cassia cinnamon, which is also known as Chinese cinnamon. Now, cassia cinnamon can contain undesirable levels of a chemical called coumarin, which is a powerful anticoagulant with potentially carcinogenic and toxic properties. In contrast, Ceylon cinnamon has been shown to contain almost undetectable levels of coumarin. Now, our products not only use Ceylon cinnamon, but Ceylon cinnamon that is biodynamically and organically certified. Now, I consider biodynamic certification a step above organic standards because it supports our mission and commitment to regenerative agriculture. Biodynamic agriculture is better for the planet and the farmer, and a higher quality product means it's also better for you. I'm proud that our biodynamic cinnamon supplement is the very first cinnamon supplement ever to bear the Demeter certified biodynamic distinctive symbol on its label. We've taken our biodynamic cinnamon tablet to even higher bioavailability level through a fermentation process. One of the best polyphenols found in Ceylon cinnamon is called proanthocyanidins. Due to their molecular size, however, these proanthocyanidins are typically just simply too large to be absorbed in your stomach and only become bioavailable in your small intestine. When you ferment the cinnamon, these proanthocyanidins become more bioavailable in your stomach to allow you to get far more of their benefits. You might be interested in knowing that our biodynamic organic fermented cinnamon formula is the first ever cinnamon supplement that combines the benefits of biodynamics and fermentation in a single tablet, all to help you and your family take control of your health.